everybody. Number three step to consider is the gap between your spa and any possible obstacle like a wall, to have room available for your cover. It's very important, so don't forget about it. When you are doing your planning, this is a very important step. I have about 2 feet space here for the cover behind the spa, so don't make the mistake of putting too close to the wall, because then you won't have access for the cover to sit in the back. You don't want the cover sitting on one of the sides or the front. You want it on the back, right next to the wall. Well, if you do that, make sure to leave the room available for it.